Hello, my name is Cassandra and I go to explain the service sector in Spain. 1. The service sector. There are many activities in this sector. In general, there are two types of objectives. In the private sector, banks, the entertainment industry, restaurants and shops aim to make money. Then the public sector. In the public sector, hospitals and schools aim to provide a service. Many services are offered by the government. Then, transport. Transport is very important for trains and tourists. All of Spain is connected by roads. It includes many motorways. Major cities and towns are also connected by rails. Suburban trains connect cities with the surrounding areas. Madrid, Barcelona, Valencia and Bilbao have underground transport systems. And there are airports in most major cities. The tourists. Tourism is one of the most important service activities in Spain. It provides work for many people and makes a lot of money. There are also many Spanish tourists. They visit museums and relax on beach or in the mountains. And this is my puppet of the service sector. Bye bye.